Everybody loves a good spaghetti and meatballs, and my mom's was the best. It's cheap because I'm a student and I'm on a budget, and it's so comforting. So let me bring it to you guys. This is the ultimate guide to Mom's spaghetti and meatballs. First, we need to cook our pasta. The key to making perfect pasta is to make sure you salt your water generously so that your spaghetti absorbs all that flavor. Something you may have heard when people make pasta is to save some pasta water. The reason is because we want that starchy water to help the sauce come together into thick, smooth sauce that sticks to the pasta noodles. Make sure to cook the pasta according to the package instructions. We would even say to cook it for 30 seconds less than instructed, so that we have the perfect al dente pasta. Here comes the star of this dish, the meatballs. The meatballs need to be full of flavor, so we are adding plenty of onions, garlic, Parmesan, and parsley. The egg and breadcrumbs work as a binder to keep the meatballs together and keep them moist after cooking. You can use any ground meat that you like beef or pork. We find a 2-to-1 ground beef to pork ratio creates the best tender and juicy texture. Work the mixture until it is just combined. Then, form them into balls that are slightly larger than a golf ball. For this recipe, size does matter. Normally, you would sear the meatballs on a frying pan, but since we're making a lot, we find it easier to broil them in the oven. You don't lose that much flavor, it saves you so much time, and it is easy to clean up. If you have a family recipe for marinara sauce that you really like, feel free to use it. But if you're feeling a little lazy, no worries. A high-quality store-bought one works really well too. Heat the marinara sauce in the pan and finish off the meatballs by simmering them in the sauce, so they are cooked all the way through and absorb all those amazing flavors. The secret to finishing your spaghetti and meatballs is to put your spaghetti back in the pot while the heat is still on. Depending on the consistency, add some of the reserved pasta water to loosen the marinara. Toss your spaghetti until each piece is fully coated in the luxurious marinara sauce. Of course, it's not spaghetti and meatballs without extra Parmesan on top. And don't be shy, we're not going to judge how much cheese you want on your pasta. So there you have it. That is the best spaghetti and meatballs. Thank you, Mom. I'm so happy that you shared this recipe with me, and I hope you all get to enjoy it now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of our new recipes. See you in the next one.